Our today talk is on research. This is Dr. Muhammad Aslam, and today we are going to discuss about research and educational research. So today we will learn about sources of knowledge, scientific method, concept of research and education, characteristics, need and advantages of research and education. Sources of knowledge. These are the main sources which provide, which create knowledge. The first one is sense perception, senses. And next is traditions, further is authority, expert opinion, rationality, and scientific method. Perception. The ability to see, hear, or become aware of something through the senses. The way in which something is regarded, understood, or interpreted. You can look on these two pictures. You can clearly understand about that perception and the importance of the perception about the things. Sensory perceptions. Uh, these are five types of sensory perceptions. One of them is sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. These all senses provide knowledge, information about the things and facts. And the next one is traditions. The transmission of customs or beliefs from generation to generations are the fact of being passed on in this way. The further is authority. The power or right to give order, make decision and enforce obedience. The next one is expert opinion. Sometime in research of knowledge, one can take the testimony of experts who, because of their intellect, training, expert experiences, and aptitude, are better informed than other people. Next is rationality. Rationalism is a system by which knowledge is gained by reason and not experiencing the world. It's also called metaphysics. Scientific method. This is also a very significant source of knowledge, and I think most of the prevailing knowledge is due to scientific method. The scientific method, the process of scientific method is included in different steps and elements, which are these. The first is observation, next is questions, then hypothesis, experiment, analysis, and conclusion. This systematic and formal process is very significant and helpful in creation or testing of knowledge and information, theories, model, process and systems, etc. So Now here we are going to discuss about the research. Research. Research basically is a systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions and solve problem which are human being facing. Educational research refer to the systematic collection and analysis of data related to field of education. Research may involve a variety of methods and various aspects of education, including student learning, teaching methods, teacher training, assessment, classroom dynamics. Why educational research is necessary? Improve the practices. The first thing. The second is add knowledge. Address the gaps in knowledge. Next, expand knowledge. And next one is replicate knowledge. Test the different findings. Next is to identify truth regarding enrollment, retention, dropout, quality of education. Further is to build new knowledge regarding the methodology, pedagogy, teaching and learning process. To solve a problem related to classroom, institution, administrative level and policy level. Characteristics of educational research. Tuckman BW 1978 has mentioned the following characteristics of research. Number one is research is a systematic process. Systematic including formal, including scientific process. Research is this. The next is research is a logical process. Research is empirical process. Research is reductive process. It is research. Last one is research is replicable and transmittable process. Main characteristics of scientific research. It is concerned with problem to be solved. Research is objective. Stress is always on testing. Research is a systematic and accurate investigation. Research collects facts. It helps to eliminate the self-assumed stories. Need of assessment. Rapid expansion and democratizations of education. Technological change. New demand on educations. Next need is interdisciplinary approaches to education, knowledge explosion and the need of educational research. Education and productivity. Therefore, research is needed. Spirit of research is needed everywhere. Research is needed to keep out of fixed track. Educational research lead to following advantages. These are the advantages of educational research. Educational research economize efforts and increase efficiency. Next is it brings confidence in the teacher. Further, it also brings dignity to the work of teacher. It lead to the adoption of new methods. Further, it keep up alert. Next, it bring a sense of awareness. Further, it develop a better understanding of teaching learning process. Moreover, it enable us to have a better understanding of social life. Furthermore, it promotes educational reforms. These are the some advantages. There are a lot of advantages you can discuss. Here we are sharing just some most relevant and significant advantages are shared. Thank you very much for time and attention.